Salsabila, student ID 2441101. Today I will present a topic titled Enhancing Resilience, a deep dive into operational risk management. How organizations identify, assess, and control the risks that threaten their day-to-day operation and why it matters more than ever. What is operational risk management? Operational risk management is the ongoing process of identifying, assessing, and controlling risks arising from internal process, people, system, or external events that could disrupt business operation. Why it matters? Unmanaged operational risks lead to financial loss, reputational damage, regulatory penalties, and business continuity failures. Who is responsible? ORM is a shared responsibility from the boardroom to the front line, requiring clear ownership and accountability. Identifying operational risks early detections is the first line of defense. Organization must deploy structured tools to surface risks before they escalate. Risk registers, centralized logs capturing risks, description, owners, and status across all business units. Risk workshop, collaborate session with stakeholders to uncover hidden vulnerabilities through structured dialogue, process mapping, visualizing workflows to pinpoint failure point, bottlenecks, and single point of failure. KRI monitoring key risks indicators provide early warning signals when risk exposure approaches critical threshold. Assessing operational risks. Once identified, risks must be quantified to prioritize response effort and allocate resources effectively. Two dimensions of risks. Every risk is evaluated across two axes: likelihood, probability of occurrence, and impact, severity, and consequence. Qualitative assessment, expert judgment, scoring matrix, and scenario analysis for subjective risk ranking. Quantitative assessment, statistical models, low distribution analysis, and value at risk (FER) calculation. Case study: lesson learned from strategy risks. When a multinational faces a sudden regulatory shift, it had no contingency supplier and suffered market share loss. Rapid lesson diversely supply bus, maintain scenario ready playbooks, accelerate stakeholder communication, and assign and strategic risk owner. After implementing these changes, recovery time and financial impact on similar incidents were significantly reduced. Problem: single source supply chains expose the company to regulatory disruption. Response activate alternative suppliers, revised contract, and launched communication plan. Outcome reduced downtime and restored market confidence faster on subsequent shock. Monitoring and reviewing risks, adapting to change. Risk is dynamic, continuous. Monitoring is essential. Select leading indicators tied to early warning signal and set threshold that prompt action. Schedule periodic review and post-incident retrospectives to update control assumption and risk appetite based on new evidence, and dashboard track signal that press impact and present them in concise dashboard for decision maker. Review cadence monthly, operational review, quarterly strategies risk update, and annual deep dives. Lesson and adaptation. Use incidents and near misses as learning input, update playbooks and training. Implementing risk management frameworks tool for success. A practical framework combines governance roles, escalation paths, process identification tool, reporting tool, risk register, dashboard, and matrix. Chris alike the framework with existing management system. Strategy review, budgeting audit, so risk becomes part of daily decision making, not a separate overhead. Governance, define owners, committees, and board reporting cadence, processes, set standardized workflows for assessment, approval, and remediation, tools and data, implement dashboard, QRES, and scenario model for timely insight, integration, embed risk checks into strategic planning, and performance review. Developing risk mitigation strategies, building resilience. Mitigation strategies fall into four categories: avoid, reduce, transfer, and accept. Design layered control that combine process, people, technology, and contractual approaches for strategy risks. Emphasize optionally flexible contract, modular product, and redundancy, multiple supplier backup system. Avoid, stop, or delay activities that create disproportionate risk. Explore, reduce, strengthen internal control, run resilient investment, and improve monitoring. Transfer, use insurance, hedging, or contracts to shift risks to third parties. Accept, document residual risks, and prepare contingency plan when cost of mitigation or wide benefit. Assessing risk impact and likelihood, prioritizing threat assessment, confirm raw risks into decision-ready insight, evaluate both probability and consequence using a consistent scale. Prioritization help focus care research on the highest value mitigation and identifies which risks require early escalation to leadership or the board. high likelihood and use a REX metric with color-coded tier and clear threshold to determine which REX need immediate action management plan or enjoying monitoring. Okay, that's all presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.